What are you doing, Penny?
Quit trying to walk away. Quit licking the
Hmm?
PlayStation.
What's you doing over there? You getting into something you ain't supposed to have? Hmm?
Look at Mr. Innocent over there. And he's like, go ahead, try to get it.
Penny? What was you doing? Hmm? Penny? Penny Pop? What was you doing? Penny? Penny? Come here, baby. Come here. Come over here, Penny. Come and see me. Come on. Come, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Oh, it's a good girl. Yeah. You're such a good girl. What's the matter?
Uh-oh.
What the? What you got, Patch? Huh? What is that? You just gonna let him have it? Realize there was nothing in it?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Shithead.
Penny.